I've done classes with younger people than you. The key with using a knife is that you don't get yourself into it and hurt others. Passing a knife, handle to handle, the blade away from you. Okay? Good passage, Christian. Okay. Passage, Aaron. Okay, put my knife back. Don't touch my knife. Now, as I was saying, there's two ways you can cut properly. Okay? You just cut, stem. Now, everything that we're not using, just so you know, you can use. Okay? No part of the vegetable that should be thrown away. You can always use it for something else.
Once they learn how to use a knife, the students will be cutting the vegetables and putting them in the pot.
It's going to show you where the chicken is. That's better. Come on, let's pick it up. Chicken, what's up?
Now, Chef Williams will be showing them what they need to do with the chicken.
You know the reason why you don't wash chicken? Because chicken has some bacteria on it. If you wash it, it's going to get over your sink, over your pot, over everything. And that's how bacteria is formed. Any bacteria that's on a chicken, once you cook it, it kills it. Okay? So you never rinse chicken as a rule. Just cut it into strips. Okay? Once you cut it into strips, you cut it into chunks. Small chunks.
Grab your clove of garlic, put it flat down on your thing with the thin side facing away from you. Grab your knife with the back of it facing towards you and do until it cracks.
The garlic is needed so the pan can saute it before adding the chicken and the vegetables.
And push. And
What do you do with that?
it's off. So, where's the garbage? In there. You cut it into thin slices.
You guys got this? Yeah. Okay.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Not everyone's covered.
Once you clean this, once you cut it in half,
Yeah.
bring it over to the trash. Pull the stem out. Get the seeds out, okay? Okay. Okay, about that size, all right? And they go into this bowl.
Now they're going to cut and mix the vegetables together.
Folks, there's a term that I use when I'm cooking that really helps. It's called mise en place. That's French for getting all the ingredients that you need together before you start. That way, once you start, smooth sailing, okay? So mise en place, if anybody ever tells you that, you can tell them because they know that, okay?
Once that's done, they're going to make the sauce.
You want your oil to get hot before you add any ingredients to it, okay? And then once you add the ingredients, you don't want to do that. You just want to stir it quickly, okay? We're going to start with the chicken.
Once the chicken is cooked, it is time to add the vegetables and the sauce.